In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can generate and style forms and surveys using generative AI or Weebly's prompt to form tool. It's very basic. It takes 3 steps. Step 1 is describing the form or the survey. So what's the context? What do you want to know? Which questions do you want to ask? Do you want it multi-page? That kind of stuff. So for example, a form that asks attendance from an event about their personal information on the first page and about their event experience on the second page, right? We press generate and then prompt to form is going to generate that form for us, right? So we have what's your name, what's your email address here. These, as I expected, were required. So let's just quickly enter something so that we can see what the next page looks like. Next page, and then rate the event. What did you like most? And then we can submit our actual form. The cool thing is that I can tweak this within the prompt as well without regenerating everything. So I could say, actually make the form single page, add questions from page 2 to page 1. And then it's going to actually add those questions from page 2 to the first page. And now it's a 1-page form. So that's a really cool thing about prompt to form. You can iteratively change your form using this prompt without regenerating everything from the go. So that's one thing. Now it's on to step 2, which is styling your form. So you can change the style of your form. There's some built-in styles right here, but you can also just use the prompt to change. So I'm going to keep it rather basic. You can go very far, so you can change the roundings, for examples of your inputs. So let's do that. So we have this Slick Light theme here. We're going to change the roundings of our inputs. We're going to change the background color, and we're going to change how our button looks like. So set the background to orange, for example. Make all accent colors orange. Okay. Press generate, and then it's going to change the way my form looks and feels, right? So you see, even up to our star rating here, everything now is suddenly orange. That's pretty cool. And then make the button full orange on hover, for example. And now the button becomes full orange. So that's AI for you. Of course, I told it to make it full orange, so now it's full orange. On hover, text needs to be white. To be white. And there we go. So button's now full orange on hover, and the text becomes white. Everything is orange up to my star ratings, and I can tweak this further, so I can change the style of the font of my text. I can change the color of my text. So that's step 2, styling your form. Step 3 is publishing your form. So when you hit this publish button right here, it's going to take you to a sign up page, so you can create an account, email, password traditionally, or single sign-on using your Figma account. I provided access, and then I can name my form, and I can actually get the link to the form. So I can look at the data that comes in. So this URL here is going to allow me to actually share this with Respond. So this is my form right here. So I can type in my name. I can type in my email address right here. If I can type correctly, let's go. And then I can rate my event. This is non-applicable because I didn't go to the events. Press submit. I get this thank you page. And I can look at my form data right here, and that's the data that I just entered. So that's in a nutshell how Weebly's prompt to form allows you to generate a form and completely style it using AI. If this sounds interesting to you, we're also building other stuff. So we have a Figma plugin as well, which allows you to design forms inside of Figma. And we're building our own AI-powered form building platform. We're actually recruiting beta users for the moment. So do head over to our page. I'll leave a link in the description and sign up for the beta if you like what you see.